a drizzle of olive oil, 2 chopped onions. Cook the onions for 10 minutes. 3 slices of bacon. Cut the bacon into small strips. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add just a pinch of salt, chili flakes. Add black pepper. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add 400 grams of peeled tomatoes. Add a large spoonful of water. Cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Cook the pasta. Add 240 grams of chickpeas. Add 100 grams of Parmesan cheese. Mix well. Add basil. Add a whole handful of spinach. Mix well. Add the cooked stuff. Perfect.